Okay, we are going to test out some things to see what happens whenever the balloon is closer or further away. What happens to this piece of paper? So we're going to kind of do like a little experiment again. So I'm going to take a woolen hat and I'm going to rub it 0 times. And it's 2 centimeters from the paper, okay? Let's test and see what happens. Oh, there's not enough charge, so it doesn't do anything. But let's see if I choose the hat again. And then this time I do times 10. Let's see what happens with the paper. Let's test it. Woo! So it says the balloon has developed enough charge for the paper to stick to it. So by rubbing the woolen hat on the balloon, it transferred those negative charges to the balloon. So now it attracted the positive charges from the paper. Okay, let's try the woolen hat one more time. But we're going to... No, let's do a different one. I changed my mind. Let's do styrofoam plate. Let's rub it 10 times. Oh, there's not enough charge for that one from the styrofoam plate. So some materials don't have enough of those negative charges for it to make a difference for the balloon to stick. So styrofoam plate is probably not a good one to test out. What about the aluminum foil? What do you think? Do you think it'll cause enough of a charge for the balloon to do anything to the paper? Let's see. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so it has. Aluminum foil can help the balloon to stick to those positive charges on the paper. Okay, let's try a glass sheet. We're going to rub it 10 times. What do you think? Is it going to cause enough of a charge? Let's put it closer this time. Yep, it developed enough to stick. Let's try the wooden plank. Let's put it closer and test. Yep, that one does too. So when you rub it more, it's going to attract more because it has the chance to put more negative particles on the balloon, and that then attracts the paper more because it attracts to the positive. Let's try the styrofoam plate again and rub it 10 times. Look, it's still not getting enough negative charges. I don't think it'll do anything. But we're going to put it closer this time and see. Nope, it has not developed enough. So everything but the styrofoam plate attracted or rubbed on more negative particles so that the paper could cling to the balloon.